Hi kids, I'm back with another Peppa Pig set. This time we got Peppa Pig's airplane. So there's Peppa Pig. And look, here's the side shows her flying with her airplane. And George over there. Let's take a look at the back. This is what you can get. Let's take a look at the side. You can see Peppa Pig again. And these can move. So let's open it up. Here's the airplane and the luggage right here. This is the luggage here. You get two pieces. And Peppa Pig right here. And the airplane, which is you can open the doors. And so now she's ready for her holiday. And so I have to tell you, the back opens up as well. Put in the cargo.
I'm finally done packing. I'm going to stuff everything in my suitcase. I'm all done. Let's see if George is ready. I'm so excited for our trip! Yay! George, are you finished packing? Yes. But George, where are your clothes? Toys. But George, you can't take only toys with you on our holiday. Toys. You should put some clothes. Mommy Pig won't be happy when she sees that you only have toys. Toys. Remember what I told you. I'm all done. I'm gonna go take my suitcases downstairs. Make sure you're ready. Okay. Remember, pack clothes too, George. Done. George, looks like you're all done. Let's go. Mommy and Daddy Pig are ready. We're set to go.
Are we ready for the holiday, family?
Yes! I wonder where Grandpa Pig is.
Don't worry, he's coming. There you are, Grandpa Pig. Thanks for coming to pick us up. Thank you, Grandpa Pig. Now we're ready to board. You kids hop aboard and I will load all the luggage. You too, Mommy Pig. Latch secure. Are we ready for takeoff, family?
Yes, we are.
Welcome to Hawaii, guys. Here's your lei. Welcome to Hawaii, George.
Dinosaur. I don't need a lei. I already have one on my dress.
Welcome to Hawaii, everybody. Come on, guys. Let's get our luggage and go to our hotel. Let's go, guys. It's time to unpack your luggage, kids, and get ready to go down to the beach.
Yay!
George, all you packed was toys?
Toys.
George, what are we gonna do?
Toys.
You're going to have to wear some of Peppa Pig's clothes.
Toys. But Mommy, he can't wear my clothes. Those are for girls.
Well, I don't have any other clothes for him. We're gonna have to go shopping then. Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch more videos by clicking the I above. Bye, everybody.